We've got a few options to establish the skills gaps and needs within your workplace from your employees. We normally do a awareness session, awareness or general session, whereby a project manager comes on site, have a general discussion with your employees to see, explain to them what ABIT is all about, and that we do 2 subjects. And it is upskilling anything from illiterate, totally illiterate, to a person that's got skills gaps, a person that did complete matric but would love to up his skills, still struggling with certain skills in the workplace, or semi-skilled employees. So yes, those general sessions happens on site, on the premises, on lunchtime or tea time. When it's flexible, then we don't interfere too much with operations. It is not compulsory. So if you don't have a list of employees that you think you can earmark for this, we can come on site and then discuss and inform them. It's a general session and anybody can attend, and also get a little bit commitment and understanding from these employees. So normally after these sessions, we'll be able to actually confirm to say that we've got an amount of people that they are interested and they would like to continue. So that is the one aspect. Normally also a client will get proof of all the school qualifications of employees, matric certificates, and that would be on record. So they would just put a list and say, these are the guys that needs assistance with skills gaps, and then we will actually go and do an assessment. The most important step is actually to do an assessment. It's a placement assessment which will show exactly if an employee has got a skills gap and need, and what exactly they need. So we will actually conduct it on site in English and maths, and we will be able to give you a detailed report based on each employee to indicate what level they were placed on, do they need ABIT, or what bridging or barrier they've got. We can actually assist with anything from NQF 1 to NQF 4. So the assessment result will give us a clear indication and a plan of the way forward for implementation, and also what skills gaps you have, and what training needs to be done and can be done based on those gaps. Most companies share these hurdles, so book a quick chat with me to assist you to transform your site.